Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another chicken dish. This one is also another super quick and easy and absolutely delicious lunch slash dinner idea. And this one is lemon pepper chicken. Super easy. Also the flavors, you have salty, sour, or acidic, slightly acidic, and creamy, and it all works in great harmony together to produce this amazing dish. So let's show you guys how to make it because it's quick and easy and doesn't take time. Lemon chicken, here we have two chicken breasts that we've washed really well and cut into big pieces. We have here 1 cup of chicken stock, 1 cup of cooking cream, some salt, white pepper, a tablespoon of olive oil, and approximately 15 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, the zest of 1 lemon, garlic that we've cut into these kind of like pieces, and approximately 2 tablespoons of Our first step is to season the chicken. So we're just going to take a cutting board just to make all of this easier. We're going to lay our chicken pieces. So once we've laid down all of our chicken, we're going to just start sprinkling salt and pepper on it. And in this recipe, we're using white pepper. So once we've seasoned one side with the white pepper and the salt, we're going to flip them and we're going to season them once again on the other side. Now on medium heat, we're going to add our butter and we're going to wait for it to melt a little bit. So we're just going to add the olive oil. Once our butter has melted, we're going to start adding in our chicken. To cook them on both sides until they turn golden brown, and then we'll take them off the heat. So that started to get golden brown, and now we're just going to flip them and let them get golden brown on the other side as well. So now that they've started to get golden brown on both edges, we're just going to take them off the heat and transfer them to a clean. In the same pan, and don't clean it because this is where all the flavor is, we're going to add our garlic and saute it for a little bit. So make sure that you don't leave it to burn. Just once you start smelling the aroma of garlic, we're going to add our chicken stock. So once our chicken stock started to boil, we're going to add the cooking cream. So you add the cooking cream and you mix that all together. Now you add the lemon juice. The lemon zest. Mix those two together, and now we're going to add a little bit of salt, but not too much because the chicken stock already had salt. As well as a little bit of pepper, and we're just going to mix that. So once the mixture starts to boil, we're going to add half of our dill amount, and we're going to mix that. We're going to add our chicken. So once we add all the chicken, even the juice that was left in the plate while the chicken was off the heat, we're going to add it. Now using a spoon, we're just going to pour the sauce over the chicken slowly and carefully so that our chicken will cook, because we won't be mixing that together. So now we're just going to let our chicken cook and our sauce to thicken to the consistency that we want. So we're going to wait for it to cook, and I'll show you guys what it looks like at the end when we serve it. You can serve it with whatever you want, rice or anything really. So I'll show you guys how I'm going to serve it later. The sauce has reached the consistency I want, nice and thick. So now I'll take it off the heat and we're going to serve it. So this is what it looks like after we've just served it. We've accompanied it with some quinoa, just for a difference instead of always using rice. We have the sauce in the middle, just so if you want to pour the sauce on top of the chicken or on top of the quinoa, it's your choice. You can serve it however you want. But yeah, it smells amazing, and I can't wait to try it. So like I said, it smells amazing. I can't wait to try it. It cuts super easily, and look how soft and moist that looks. I'll just dip it in more sauce. Also try a little bit of the quinoa. It is perfectly balanced. There is you have salty, you have the creamy, you have that little acidity or sourness, which brings this dish together really well, and it's perfectly balanced. So I highly recommend trying it because it's also super quick and easy to make. That's today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Discord, and TikTok, so you guys can support me to make further content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.